Welcome to the topic series. My name is Roy Paulson. Today we're talking about ARC goggles and their use with balaclavas and our new HT gray colored lenses. So this is a model 510 ARC S 45 HT. It's a 45 calorie ATPV value. It has vents on the bottom, vents on the top, silicone frame, adjustable silicone strap, and it has a pivoting and tilting mechanism that allows so that the goggle can be worn both on your head or attached to the helmet. So this is a 45 calorie ATPV value matched with a matching balaclava. I would like to discuss of where you can use the goggle and where you can't. So this goggle can be used at any public utility, but it can't be used in commercial applications. And the reason for that is because the way that the NFPA 70E standard is written, it excludes the use of the goggle. Now the goggle is tested to the ASTM standards and meets the 45 calories of protection value along with the balaclava. The balaclava gives you the 360-degree protection around behind, and the goggle, of course, is protecting the eyes. So with this combination, you can work in underground vaults and in places of confined space. And that is why utilities like to have this type of a product, because there's applications that is just too tight and close to be wearing a complete face shield.